go with the lesson to West Coast Passion to a song called California. How appropriate, right? Because we're coming from Southern California to you. So it's 32 counts. We'll start with the first 8, and it's a walk, walk. I'll do it from the side, but you know we're going to start facing that wall. Okay. So we're going to walk, walk, step, twist, twist. So, and start with the right foot. So walk, walk, step, twist, twist. So you put your right foot out in front just a little bit, twist, twist, and then go back. Right, left, and then an out, out, in, starting with the right foot. Out, out. Now we're going to do an in cross. So right, left crosses. And you put your weight on it. Okay, so those are the first 8 counts. Let's try it. From the top, we'll do it slow. So we're going to start with our right foot. Walk, walk, step, twist, twist. Go back. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Oh, good. A little bit faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk, walk, step, twist, twist. Go back. Out, out. In, cross. Okay, we count. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. One more time. With words and then with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go back. Out, out. In, cross. Okay, good. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Perfect. And remember, you're on YouTube, so you can stop it, start it, slow it down, speed it up, and keep watching until you get the first 8 counts into your muscle memory. Okay, so we just did a cross on 8. Then, and we keep our weight on our left foot. Then we hold 1 count and point with our right foot on the next count to the right. Point. Don't put your weight on it. Then point the left to the left and left. And then you hitch the left foot. Hitch. Then you turn the left foot, or your whole body, to 9 o'clock. And then you come together, but a lot of people stylize that one. They'll do a body roll or a shake or something fun. But right now we're just gonna go over the steps, right? Okay, so we started with walk, walk, step, twist, twist, go back, right, left, out, out, in, cross, hold. And then we do it again, and 2. So there's an and count, sorry, I forgot to tell you that. So the next 8 is, we just did 7, and 7, and 8. Hold 1, and 2. They call it a ball cross. I call it ball cross. Okay, ball cross, then point and hitch, turn, slide together. Oh, let's do that one again. So we just did and cross, and then we hold, and 1, no, we hold 1, and 2, point 3, point 4, hitch and 5, and 5, turn on to 6, slide together, 7, 8. Remember, we'll stylize it later. One more time. So we just did out, out, in, cross, hold, 1, 2, 3, and 4, turn, 5, 6, slide together, 7, 8. Good. One more time. Get it into your muscle memory. 7 and 8. Hold 1 and 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Yes. Let's put the 2 together with words and then with counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Back. 5, 6, and 7, and in. Hold and cross. Point in, point, point. Turn. Good. Okay, we count. 5, 6, 7. Oh, sorry. 5. I need room. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Hold. 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Halfway done. Yes. Then we're going to slide to the right with the right foot. So we just did our weight on left, slide up. Don't put your weight on your right because your right foot needs to be ready to slide together. Shake it, shake it. A lot of people like those parts. So we just did slide up. Then we start the next 8 with 1, 2, shake it, 3, 4. Yes, yes. It's such a fun dance. So we did our slide. Next, third 8. Slide together, shake it, shake it. Then we're going to do a half paddle turn. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Just a minute, I'm not sure I have the counts right on that. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. There we go. So we just did our, some people snake it up, right there, the style. So we're gonna go to the right and do our slide, our third 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. One more time. It's finished here. Third 8 starts with slide and shake it. Paddle 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Good, 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 good. One more time. Third 8. Slide and shake it. Paddle 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Last 8. Are you ready? You can do a kick, or for balance today, because we're doing it a little bit slower, it's easier for me to just point, which is fine. You can either kick, kick, or you can point, point. So it's cross, side, and then a coaster step. Some people do a sailor step. They both work. Our teacher, Carrie Wojo, does a coaster step. Then we're gonna turn over our right shoulder. You can cross your left foot and turn, and then stomp, clap, clap. So you can cross it or just turn a little bit. It's easier when you're doing it fast. I'm trying to keep my balance. Okay, so we just did our shake it, paddle, 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 paddle. Last 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you can cross, unwind. Easier for me up for balance is to do a 2-step turn and then a step. So you can do the cross, unwind, step, clap, clap, or turn, turn, step, clap, clap. Yay, good to have options, right? Okay, so let's start at the last 8 one more time with the kicks or the points on the floor. So they start, you just did paddle, 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 paddle. Then we did point, point, coaster, step, turn, step, 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 clap, clap. And the counts go like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yay! Let's put it all together. Here we go. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Hold and cross. Point and point. Hitch, step, turn. Slide and slide. And shake it. And paddle, paddle, paddle. Kicks and kick, kick. Coaster, step, turn. Step, clap, clap, and 8. Okay, with counts this time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Hold. 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. One more time, a little bit faster. Okay, with counts from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Hold. 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. You've got it. Practice, have fun, smile, all good. Later, stay tuned.